Hello everybody, we are in Portygrave, Newfoundland, and they have all the boats here on the wharf are decorated with lights. It's just so beautiful. You can't really see the boats, but the lights are beautiful. There's a lot of people here, so you're going to see some people passing by, and I'm going to fall. Here's Jasmine. Can't see your face at all. Let her focus. Come on. It's not focusing. There we go. Oh, I'm gone off the edge of the pavement again. Let's see what this is over there. Merry Christmas. Could be. Hopefully the video don't make you sick with all the walking I'm doing, but I'm trying to do it as gentle as possible. We have waving hands. We don't see the face, but we got waving hands. It's Joshua. Oh, there he is. Just in time.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
My fingers are freezing now. It's beautiful, isn't it?
They certainly didn't hype it up too much.
Look at the little dogs, Jasmine, and like Harley. Right there, look, just like Harley. Harley's home in the warm. Feet.
Well, they ate the bamboo boat there a while back.
Flickering star.
Well, this one, oh, this one's from, see, yeah, Janet, right? This from there, this here. Oh,
I can feel fine. Hardly feel my fingers. Come on, Jasmine. Right there behind you.
Let's go down and twist, but I don't know what it is.
Now we're getting fairly close to the end. I'll soon have to put my hands in my pocket. And right here, if you can see my finger, where's my finger? So straight ahead is a line of lights going up, and that's a stairwell that you can, well, you can keep going this video. And you walk all the way up to the building for the lookout. So now I'm up on top of the hill. Well, getting there. This is beautiful, and the amount of people here.
You should come up. There you go.
Now I'm at the top. This is the stairwell that I showed. This is Candy Cane Lane. We have the Nativity. Count the candy canes, Brian.
huh?
Count the candy canes. It's a lot of candy canes, and there's more that goes down. Beautiful. And this is the largest crab pot Christmas tree in all of Atlantic Canada. This is all crab pots. see. All the crab pots here. The flash is, of course, taking pictures. Over there. So I think this is the end of our little excursion looking at the Christmas lights in Port de Grave, Newfoundland. So I'll say Merry Christmas until the next time. Bye.